Sawadee krap. Today I'm going to show you how to make Thai chicken satay, a dish that's tender, juicy, and packed with flavor. Perfect pair with my creamy Thai peanut sauce from our last video. Let's get started. Here's what you need: about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thigh. Thighs are the most tender, but you can also use chicken breast if you prefer a leaner option. 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon coriander seed, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon curry powder, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon powder, half teaspoon of salt, half cup of coconut milk, and half cup of evaporated milk. Start by adding the garlic and coriander seed into a mortar and pound them into a fine paste. If you don't have a mortar and bezels, you can also use grounded coriander seed and a microplane or garlic press for the garlic. Now in a mixing bowl, combine all the marinade ingredients. Add the garlic coriander paste, 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, followed by half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoon curry powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half cup coconut milk, and lastly half cup evaporated milk. Stir everything together until smooth and fragrant. You want to make sure that all ingredients are almost fully dissolved. Now add the chicken thigh to the marinade and make sure they are fully coated and submerged. You can also cut the chicken into small strips and thread it into skewer, but for our recipe, we want to make it quick and simple. So we will cut the chicken at the end and cook it as a steak. Cover and marinate for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight in the fridge. The longer it sits, the more flavorful it gets. Once your chicken is marinated and ready, preheat your grill on high heat. You want to hear that nice sizzle when the chicken is hit the grill. You can use a grill pan or an outdoor grill. Just avoid a stovetop cast iron pan for this recipe since the marinade can get burned easily. Grill the chicken over medium-high heat. After 6 to 8 minutes, it should develop some nice beautiful grill mark and ready to be flipped. Pro tip: don't toss out the marinade. You can use it to baste the chicken while it's cooking to keep it juicy and more flavorful. Depending on the thickness of the chicken, continue grilling until it's fully cooked and reach 165 Fahrenheit internally. Always check the thickest part with the meat thermometer. Once it's done, let the chicken rest for about 5 minutes. This helps keep all the tasty juices locked in. Make sure you slice the chicken against the grain for the best texture. And that's it. Thai chicken satay is ready to be served. I love pairing it with my creamy Thai peanut sauce. If you haven't seen that recipe yet, I will link it in the description below. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Thai dishes. Drop a comment below if you're planning to make it, and don't forget to check out the Thai peanut sauce video. Enjoy!